Hey, welcome to today's show. Today we're going to change our carbon monoxide smoke alarm. They typically last around 7 years. Of course, this is 8 years and it's done. Of course, I couldn't get the kind that I wanted or that we previously had that the base would fit. Bought this one, BRK, battery backup, smoke alarm, carbon monoxide tester. You can see I took the base off, the old base off already. Well, it's a new base. Took the old base off already. Turn off the breaker, but we'll just make sure. Okay, it's all good. There are 3 wires to this one, black, orange, and white. Black is to the power, the white is to the neutral. This orange one I use to the circuit that interconnects them all. Alright, let's get started. Well, I plugged it in and it beeped a few times. And now it's settled down. Guess it just goes through a test mode. There, I put it in. Probably wasn't 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, you're done. So that's all it takes to change your carbon monoxide smoke alarm. Hope that was helpful. Okay, there it is installed. But I tied it into my other ones and it kept beeping all the time. So I wonder if the BRKs and the Kidde smoke alarms aren't compatible. For me, I just disconnected that orange interconnection wire because I have another one right down the hall here. You can see it right down there. That is interconnected with the rest, and now it's working fine. Oh, I didn't read that it wasn't interconnectable, but I guess it isn't. All right, thanks for watching.